Hello all, welcome back. This is part 3 of getting started with SketchUp section. In previous part I told you all about SketchUp interface and how status bar in SketchUp gives you tips on using each tool in SketchUp. In this part we will learn how to use all types of SketchUp tools in most easy way. Like status bar, Instructor teaches you how to use the currently selected tools, but in more detailed way. To turn on the Instructor, shown here, select Window menu, and in default tray you will find Instructor option. Select it to get Instructor back in the default tray of SketchUp. Why Instructor is better than status bar? It shows basic use of the selected tool with the help of animation. It also gives a detailed description of what the tool does. It shows step-by-step process for using the tool, which correspond to the animation. It also tells the shortcut or modifier keys that enable the tool perform additional functions. Instructor also have a link to help center articles about advanced functions of the selected tool. Let's understand with the help of example. When you open SketchUp, Select tool is opted by default. That's why in Instructor you will see the animation and description of the Select tool. Now select another tool, let's say Line tool, and see what Instructor has to show us. When Line tool is selected, the animation in the Instructor changes than previous, and now it's showing the animation of using the Line tool, and also description and modify key are respective to Line tool. I will show you with a small demo as how Instructor can help you as a beginner. To make a line in SketchUp, use the left mouse button to start the line from one point, and you can complete the line by clicking again in any direction. But what if you want line to be in specific direction, let's say y-axis, or here it's green axis. For this purpose, a small modifier key will come handy, which is Shift key. We can hold the Shift key when our line is placed in green direction and can lock the axis of the line there only. Shift key not only lock the line in X, Y or Z axis, but it can be used to lock line in any axis in 3 dimensions. So this was a small demo about how Instructor can be very helpful for you when you are in the starting steps of SketchUp. Now I will show you the list of all tools available in SketchUp by default. In front of you is the list of all tools available in SketchUp as factory settings. It is also known as quick reference card. More tools and plugins can be added or installed within SketchUp later. I will cover that also in upcoming videos. You can see all tools available in large tool set are shown here with the icons and names. On the other side, a brief tool description is given. Similarly, tools available in other toolbars like solid tools, dynamic components, sandbox and so on are also given here. Okay guys, this is all about learning tools in SketchUp. I hope you are familiar with how tools work in SketchUp now. Now our next part will be most interesting and important to you because I will guide you to create your first 3D model in SketchUp, so be ready for that.